ShipCSX tools can help you plan, ship, trace, and pay for your shipments quickly and efficiently with secure data that is specific to you and your company. Today, we'll review how to get instant trace information on your intermodal equipment using the Instant Info tool on the ShipCSX website. Instant Info can be found by clicking Intermodal Tracking Suite under the Trace drop-down menu. Begin by clicking Instant Info in the gray navigation bar. From here, you have two options, Trace and Predefined Reports. Let's look at Trace first. If you have previously saved a trace report, select it here. You can choose to trace by the different options listed. For this demonstration, we'll choose to trace using Equipment ID. You can enter up to 200 trace values. When entering multiple search values, you can enter the equipment on separate lines or separate with commas. You can also copy and paste into this box from other documents. Now that you've entered your trace values, you have the option to save as a report for later use or to schedule for email delivery. Let's click Save for now. We will explain how to schedule your reports later in this video. For now, let's click View to see the results on screen. Your trace results will be displayed on a new tab. Each time you do a new trace, a new tab will be displayed. Above the trace results, you will see additional options. By default, information is sorted by equipment, but you can choose any of these options. If you have multiple equipment, you can easily go to a specific equipment number here. You are able to download or email your selected trace results. If you have questions regarding a shipment's movement or schedule, you can send an inquiry to Intermodal Customer Service by clicking Shipment Problem Resolution after selecting up to 10 pieces of equipment. Current train location is updated every hour on the hour as long as the equipment is associated to a current train. Click the hyperlinks for helpful information, such as the waybill, the schedule tied to the original ETA, and gate receipt information. Below the most recent event, you can also view the completed and remaining scheduled events for each shipment. Additional details may be shown depending on equipment status, such as storage due and parking location. Pickup numbers are also visible if authorized. Now let's look at predefined reports. These reports can easily give you the instant information you may need. If you have previously saved a report, select it here. You can choose from these available report options. For this demonstration, we'll choose Terminal Inventory. First, choose your company name. Then select up to 5 terminals to display on screen. Any more than 5 will require a download. Let's go ahead and save for later. Now click View to see the results. Your information will be displayed here. Note that all of the columns are sortable. You can also click an Equipment ID to see completed and scheduled events, or link to the waybill. Links to the Shipment Problem Resolution and to download the report are here as well. Now you should be ready to schedule these saved reports for email delivery. Let's go back to Instant Info. Select your saved report, then click the Schedule button. Make sure you selected the correct report. Now let's set the schedule. You'll need to select which days of the week you want to receive this report. For now, let's choose the report runtime. You can choose up to 3 times per day, as long as they are 4 hours apart. Under Delivery Method, the default options are listed for you. If you need to add multiple emails, simply separate them with a semicolon. The only required field for you to add is the expiration date. It can be set up to a year from today. Now click the Save button, and voila! Your report is scheduled. ShipCSX is available around the clock for your convenience. If you have any further questions on Intermodal Instant Info, you can request scheduled training for yourself or others by contacting the CSX e-Business Hotline at 1-877-ShipCSX. Select option 2.